Hi, this is Joe Zachary here at Mossberg & Sons. Here I got the Youth/Bantam Strata Patriot. Comes in 243, 6.5 Creedmoor, 308, and 7mm 08. Comes with a fluted barrel, fluted bolt body, and a 5-round magazine. This rifle does come with a scope. We offer them a scope combo, so just unfortunately we don't have one on display at the moment. It is a 3x9x40. It's a great deal. It has a 13-inch length of pull, so it's very comfortable to be close to your body and to get your kill shot. Look for your Mossberg Patriot in the Strata camo, available at your local distributors.